Disconnecting an email inbox stops tawk.to from sending and receiving mail for that address. You might do this if you no longer use the mailbox, want to connect the address to another workspace, or need to reconnect with updated settings, like new server details. Before you disconnect, a few things worth knowing. New emails stop arriving in your tawk.to inbox. However, they keep landing in your mailbox as normal, so nothing is lost. And if you reconnect later, everything received in between is synced in. While it's disconnected, you won't be able to reply from that address, but your existing conversations stay right where they are. If the inbox is shared, your teammates lose the ability to send and receive through it too. And if a reply is still inside its 5-second undo countdown, disconnecting before it finishes may stop it sending, so let pending replies go out first. To disconnect, go to Administration, then Integrations, choose Messaging, then Email. Open the Settings tab, find the inbox and click Disconnect. It takes effect immediately, and the inbox stays listed with a disconnected status, ready to reconnect whenever you need. Reconnecting is just as quick. Open the disconnected inbox, click Reconnect, enter your password or app password, verify the server settings, and complete the connection test. This restores the same inbox rather than creating a new one. Your conversation history, inbox name, visibility, and ownership are all preserved, and any mail received while it was offline is brought in. The process is the same whether you disconnected it yourself or the connection dropped from a password or server issue. Two last things. Disconnecting isn't how you change an address. The address on an inbox can never be edited, so a new address means a new inbox. And because an address can only be connected once at a time, disconnect it here before connecting it anywhere else. Nothing about your actual mailbox changes through any of this. Your messages, folders, and account settings at your provider stay exactly as they are. For more assistance, visit the tawk.to Academy or book a call with our customer support team.